Hey guys, I'm Molly and welcome to my channel. Today's video kicks off the very first episode of the spring cleaning series, and I hope that it gives you the motivation you need to get organized. I want to show you how quick and simple it can be to get decluttered and organized if you break each task into smaller steps. So today we're starting with the pantry. If you're ready, let's get to it. So this is what we're working with, a very unorganized and cluttered pantry with not a whole lot of food. We don't cook a lot at our house, but that's something I'm trying to get out of the habit of, and the first step is making sure that your pantry is organized and everything that's expired is out of there. I have these drawers left over from my bathroom reorganization, so I'm going to try to use them in the pantry as best I can, that way I don't have to spend any extra money on organizing. First step, take everything out of the pantry. That way you can see how much open space there is and where you want to reorganize things. We have a ton of Tupperware that never gets used. And we have these random Christmas tins that I got as a gift and I can't seem to throw them away because I always feel like I'll use them, but then we never use them. So a lot of times things like that just end up taking up extra space, so you don't necessarily need them. Finally get to add these drawers in. I'm very excited, as you can see, because it fit perfectly and I can still open the drawer without hitting the wall. I got the drawers from Target quite a few years ago, so I'm not sure if they're still available. And the little organizer on the other side that has the saran wrap and the aluminum foil, things like that in it, I got that at Marshall's, but I've seen them everywhere and they're only a few dollars and they save a lot of space. Next, I'm going to start emptying out all the food and setting it aside. I thought it was really funny that I had healthy breakfast and then shots right next to each other, but that's how we roll. Organizing is a lot of trial and error, so you want to make sure that you have things exactly how you like them so they're aesthetically pleasing to your eye, but also where you have things that you use most often very accessible, because sometimes it happens that if things are out of sight, out of mind. Has anyone tried this Kashi cereal? It looked like a healthier version of like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so I wanted to try it, but just haven't got around from it yet. Next, I'm emptying out boxes that are mostly empty because it just takes up a lot of room. I'm putting it in these clear containers so you can see exactly what you have. It's really important to make sure that you check the dates on your canned items. Even though you think canned items will last quite a while, time passes quickly and sometimes you forget how long you've had things. Pretty much everything in our cupboard except for the Goya beans were expired, so that will help and free up a lot of extra room. Of course, Patty had to make an appearance. I also had a hard time finding the expiration date on a lot of these boxed items. I feel like it would be so helpful if everything was put in the same spot because I spent so long looking at expiration dates. I also think that it's really important to have the things that you use most often, or that you should use most often, sort of at eye level. I decided to put the majority of the food up one shelf, that way it was right in front of you, easy to see, easy to grab. I had this basket on the bottom just full of random cooking ingredients. This is cornbread and it was expired and I was devastated. Most everything in this bin ended up being tossed because it was expired, so that was frustrating, but it did leave me with an empty bin to put other things in, as you'll see in the next clip. I decided to put all the Tupperware lids and some of the slimmer Tupperware containers into that purple basket and up on top of the drawer in the top shelf, and I put the bigger bins of Tupperware into the gray basket. Really utilize the space that you have. That top shelf was a really tall shelf and it didn't get used very often. Alright, now this bottom part is on the ground and gets really dirty, and we don't use anything from down there very often, but it did need a quick vacuum, and I figured that would be good for now, and then if I pull the things out to use, I would wipe them down really quick and get them nice and clean before I actually cook with them. But for now, just a quick little vacuum and get it organized. My fiance likes to keep boxes for when we move, but they just take up a lot of extra space, and so I decided to toss the crock pot box because the crock pot's not even in there. And here we have it, the finished product, a super organized pantry where you can easily see everything and reach everything so you won't forget about items that you have hidden away. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up because it really helps me to know what kind of videos you like. I had a lot of fun filming this video for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.